for all you have done for us. Hallelujah. We are grateful, oh Lord. I started from C, I didn't find it. For all you have done, oh Lord, 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 Lord. Do you find that now? You know, most times when people sing, they sing with different key, and you are very, very frustrated, and you're like, okay, what actually just happened? If you notice, if you have been following my tutorial before, you notice that I've been playing on key F majorly, and sometimes I transpose. So if you're not the type that can actually play on all keys, maybe you cannot play on this, you cannot play on C, you cannot play on G, and every other case like that, then you will need this video. And apart from that, every instrumentalist will surely need it. Is that right? Now you are going to need it. So when people move from one key to another, what should you do? That's what we are treating now. So now for let me just take a song and let me find the key. You will never ever change. You are the Lord. You remain the same. Oh, you will So now, if you check it on the transpose, on what key did I play? I played on F. So all right, now we take it on another key as well. So let me sing another song like, you will never ever change. You know, I was playing on the key of F before. No, this one cannot go. Then okay, you will never ever change. You are the Lord. You remain the same. You will never ever change. You are the Lord. Then you remain the same. You see what just happened? I transitioned from the key of F to key C. And how did I know? That's what we're going to treat. But before that, let us take another key as well so that we know what to do, okay? Oh, you will never ever change. You are the Lord. You remain the same. You will never ever change. You are the Lord. You remain the same. As you can see, this is 3 different keys. The first thing that I did was, the first song I took was from on the F. The other one was on the C, and the other one was on F sharp as well. So things can change like that. But the good news is that there is no how anybody will sing and you will not be able to get the key on the whole 13 keys. So the first thing you will do is that you locate the do. There is no song they will sing. That song will have the landing part. It may not be do safe. It can be some other thing. Like, you are the Lord. Let your name be glorified. Now, my landing part is glorified. You are the Lord. Okay, now. Oh, let your name be glorified. Then you look at it. Glorified. That means you have to listen first. Listen first. Especially if you need to hit, you need to listen to that person that is singing. That's okay. What is this person singing? We give you glory and honor. Or they take another song that's we give you honor and glory. So you have to look at the landing part, and glory. We worship you, our God. You are worthy to be praised. So be praised. Praised is the landing part of it. Any other song you can take as well. Praise. Then you are like, okay, this is my stuff. Then from there you can go to the key of F sharp actually. So, and disclaimer, let me tell you please, if you are the type that only plays on key F on one key, honestly speaking, you are not doing good. 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 As good as transpose is, you cannot always you cannot always rely on transpose. Honestly, I'm telling you the fact. You cannot always rely on transpose. Learn some other keys. At least you should be able to play on 5 keys. At least. Let's say even 3. Let's say 3. That's okay. You have tried 3. So you can't rely on just key F, key F, key F, key F. No. You have to have the knowledge of all keys. All the major keys actually. So that's by the way. So you look at the key of the landing part of that song. Olúwa, Olúwa wa orúkọ rẹ̀ tí níyìn tó. That is the landing part. So you hum it. Orúkọ rẹ̀ tí níyìn. Then you look for it. Olúwa. Then Olúwa orúkọ rẹ̀ tí níyìn tó. So, alright, let's take another song that for all you have done for us, hallelujah, we are grateful, oh Lord. I started from C, I didn't find it. For all you have done, oh Lord. Did you find that now? I started from C. Lord, then for, so that should be G, right? Then for you have done for, hallelujah, we are grateful, oh Lord. So that's the key of G. Do you understand that now? I played on the key of G. So for you to look at all these things, start from this place. Down. We are still going to take another song on a different key entirely, alright? So the song we're taking is Then I asked the Lord, what name fits you? And he said, yeah. Start again. Alright? So you have to get the landing part, then it. Then I asked the Lord, what name fits you? And he said, yeah, do. Then you start from C. Then I asked the Lord, what name fits you? And he said, then I asked the Lord, what name fits you? And he said, yeah. So, alright, we have come to the end of this tutorial. What is the peak? What is the take home in this tutorial? The take home is that anytime you get to the keyboard and you want to locate anybody's key, the first thing is that you listen to the song and get the landing part of the song. After you have gotten the landing part could be do, it could be saw, it could be any other thing, but most times look for the do part. The landing part, then go for hit, and if it is saw, look for hit and just make sure. And the next thing is that make sure you it. As you are looking for hits, that person's sound so that you don't forget it. Someone is singing and he said, yeah, you are humming it. Then you locate it. Is that right now? So thank you for watching this video. God bless you. So in the next video, what we're going to do is that I'm going to teach you how to use transpose. In case you're not familiar with all these keys, maybe from PH to something like you're only versatile with key of C or any other key like that, then I'm going to teach you how to get your tone fast. Is that right now? Then we're going to learn how to use the transpose very fast so that there won't be lapses in your playing and you'll be able to flow very well. Thank you for watching. If it is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post new video, you'll be able to get it. But more importantly, please like this video. God bless you. Thank you.